because extraditing Minister of State Communication. You come out to come and make a statement on finding out the legal implications.
Ebushon for aha Gana SMTVGH, message or like a comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are probably notified. Ebushon for bet me a channel by donating to the numbers that are below your screen. Ebushon for Munim say aha a pro MPP channel and we are not able to get a sponsorship from private people. They don't want to identify with a brand no. And to who know bet me a boy to sustain the channel, to get our resources and all among others. Ebushon for let's go into another seminar. You and I know, say, and this is one of the main reasons why Abia, more ardent viewers of Ghana and Sem, you have not seen me post about the purported presidential release. I almost say, Electoral Commissioner, no, any deputies, and then Kisio Jaben, the Chief Justice, has since said there is no case. Right, he has not been able to establish prima facie, and they are not going to be removed from office. There is a reason why I have not spoken about it, and the reason is simple. The reason is who say a pure diversional tactics our NDC is employing. Is a pure diversional tactics. Omunim say a kasano hit our system nemo. Now hit our system nemo no efa cocoa for cocoa kuya for. Omama cocoa kuya for haircut of over 10 million old currency. Edi bufo bebre edi bufo pa system nemo. And na kasa all over the cocoa mining areas. Demonstration ekoso. Utimi who placards biswa Mahama Dadaye, Mahama Yentrofo and all those things. And they know. Kav abino nim say until they reverse Ayomu decision now, we will keep talking about this cocoa stuff. And they want to give Ghanaians something to divert their attention. NISICJ in Sensema, any electoral commission in Sensema, a pure diversional tactics. Right? Second thing in say, Omunim say Omu goodwill no. As a yaba we yeah. Say last year, Omu pebia as a Ghana phone kasa. As people were turning a blind eye. They were saying, let's give them some time, let's wait, and all those things. But right now, no, almost everyone is saying enough is enough. When I will say, Papa, dollar is coming down, CD is appreciated. Yes, still no, won't try contract a scar. You are not performing on your loans. You are not performing in paying people's salaries and all those things. And what should do all these things? No? How can you come and tell me, say, Papa? These are questions that Ghanaians are asking. Now, once they are asking these questions, when we say money, they don't have any answer to it. And before our system, they know that they cannot at this point in time make say they are removing EC, any OSP. Ghanaians will bow me say, yeah, because that's not what is important. We've seen through history, say, you go and appoint your girlfriend as electoral commissioner. Go and appoint your wife as electoral commissioner. If Ghanaians want you out of power, you go out. Before 2016, John Mama His Excellency, appointed Charlotte say, when we went into the election, NDC lost by one of the biggest margins ever seen, over 1 million votes. Fast forward, Nana Akufo-Addo appointed Jean Mensa. Going to election 2024, look at how we lost, MPP lost. And it's not about the electoral commissioner. When you play your game well, when you do the right thing, if the people are satisfied with you, they will vote for you. If they are not, they will vote you out. And that is what they must understand. So, don't mind them. Let's keep talking about the cuckoo. They do not want us to talk about cuckoo. Let's keep talking about it. Farmers are hungry. Farmers are dying. Farmers, blood pressure echoes through. Farmers.
Are we serious as a nation? Oh, as a buying bibia, we pursue Trumika. Na, where ye bibi ni so ye bibi. Because omo call mandate nene niyama womo de share bo. Say woba be chishire Ghana no. Womu atuni na sauram. Eti adie bi ebesi bia no. No was some no wo peja se na be ya be magana fo adwene fi omo boshe no a omedi ye hwambo no so because na enwanwa say the communication minister beka say ye be extradite no o de say abra won check hu no say ye ne Russia fo no ye ne omu ni sansa wo so no and Russia fo emma sa kwan no enti u raise hope o de hwe baba jama de oh na ye be rerun ye be say ye mun de be ka so ye wi ya pe pretty sam ya hwehwe hu no say abaya na moto nyinara sa pepepe ade bi ebesi bia no de ho agi mbibirebe gidi no raise hope no sign agi abafom e wo mu say ni abrante de be ye no enye say we nye koko ayi sikani bia
we de
enra me che atade bia koko akuafo e wo me constituency ankasa pam de bremie na o ma chire no koko akuafo aye mobododo ai
bro ne sase ya bie koko yi
pamantade 12 de brem say fi sabri ya okono omugina yi pabicho bebia meko bia meka se bia me sha tade ne nko
asa Ghana ya ye mobododo
me fa ma tade ne nkire eno a me hye wie ya pe enwume no a no me ye du fia no bi frɛ me say ayi Cocobod senior staff association for so asuma dispatch the sheti abrami am say hey almost so papa me cho menhye na me mama nsanti ase say saa musika mu aye te se ye de ba be ye koku adwuma no wo mpren in solidarity of them no omo pabicho engagement bi ameko bi amenhye and then the na be shedi no
so me enti o musika
so de omo mpren so me enti o musika no so enti menhye I'm oh me constituency for the of the brand min hye almost so say the bia bia meko bia menhye
enya afia ya de
enya de ketwa enti me constituency for no mo hu me say me shout ade na mo de brand me no a enkyere say mo ntokwa ne akwan wie na mo civil servants first koko senior staff for so e de o mo de abra me say o mo so say o mo de ende o so wan hwe na bosumi ya ba betiti musika no o mo so mo mpre ti me shout ade no fam model say bo mo say o mo mpre mo so mo de o mo timi yo mani mo po no makasa wan hwe ya gyi we o men ya official kasama for the ja me kasama koko akuafo obo hu no say sebe amanfo eti o masem no men kom de ebi nso mo ntina
wahye kosa fo atade no
ai
koko staff
kosa wo ho aha menum po say fa no kosa na nka sebe adwuma nka ni je wo mu a o ma twa tuma mo be pam na ma hye na ni je abanene o ma boto da
ni o mu nyina boto abom
na ye be dey this ma boto because me dey koko fo no se ni o masem ni hia me ne wo ho
ye be baso
ene se ni a me constituency omo a wo mu dokoko no wo mu dokoko no kese omo mu to na nkasa kura no ade we no abebo mo kama nya de ketwa
ye be baso abechim me da se ma memra minu ya be ma Charles Asie Edutano South MP na no mekokutwa mu e woni krobidu ne signboard na no de pay MP ni da sisi ho ontui
hey o akukuduro
ona bo atu de nyina
me de bobo ho boho
enya sa mu nyina fa
da bi so no ayi ne de na odisi ho no bo sha hodo na odisha manfo no eguso me ye short 24 hour be wo so Ebeka ho edi sabri ya omodi ehwan boy go so to fi oda no ho to no also to be to fi ho
mate
ai
anabo
enne omo a omunya kukudo no me adwuma maritime organization maritime authority omako court say yen sign reinstate wo mo that say enyam na kwan so ene ye fa ya di yomedi no TUC for kan ye penifo bebre kan ye asofo ne ade nyina ka bi o say maka asumi muwa enne emra say reinstate them na chese one family anya adwuma initially 2 say obi ode mra ye adwuma mpampa ega chief justice akoyi ka wanko niama we no ye hihye adwuma wo akire ni ade ye chief justice okoye no backlash aban no enyaye aban no eni onyama nka also nya no etiba fom se akoye aban ya edikan ya ababe pamu chief justice oti akonya so eye na adwuma enu nti we no mu hu kwa mo mfa so handle no na yakoka se wo mo abium enti eniema miensa na makan yo enti se no ya say okay eniema mfa petition foforo mra na chairman general timi aka so no de wo ye de ya wo se ma me ne kwa Jubilee ni presidency omo wa no chairman general say although the we de ya wo say yisi fo no na epamum nyina Jubilee fo omo wa no de nya wanwa say minua na ka say petition foforo e be san aba it is ne obi so be bo aban na ba so say wetie na chief justice na maybe sa Charles say hwan na wo ya ban mu ana say hwan na wo ye kokosa abo chief justice abaso obi amon da baso na adwuma na oye ye mra do so de adwuma na de mra ye adwuma obi eno no wo na baso healing no aka say wa ye de bi mada because ade wo so ye no ye ne sa pepepa anya de obi abebo abaso o tia no dia ye beka so tia no a ye beka
the woman abaso wankasa woman abaso say at least so the na manfo adwon so NDC fo aka say ma me no ne OSP nkoi de kwan bia so mbema nako na anko basa the first petitioners omodi omo petition ko ya bo agu so omonyi omudwuma
se won say papa no o credibility o ena sabio aka na he ena wakofie enti enye sabri ena oba bejeja no ho na enne no ne din akobata enema bisa ho so that's it enti no minyin ni se waye de ebiso emada ohwe na say prima facie bia se da ni ho no mu a obeka
for the credibility stake
beyond that no minua ka say petition de omodi bi beba chairman general so aka say ma me ne de o so oboko enti no say eye interim eye ade bi afi no maye yemfa ne se omo yema ye de adada kra se se de and this ya buy no my idea no ne ade koko fo so ye GSK
ye be koko komo so na wunyi ni se basa so a esa ban ye papa ye beka ye de ye opam chief justice ye ka ye se won pam foforo se wan hunu asem bia mu odu obetime gina so apam ne no so ye ka e se wonye de
na me ba OSPD
okay
so won first attempt ye yes ye de pam OSP majority leader and in the chief whip ekotintim krata e the private member motion e bagidi adanya ya chi Martin Pegbu ya chi no when ni 2 days in bo OSP akache e ho no ano yen hihye emfa emra entu OSP no ngu yem pamono ni yem bani OSP yem bra OSP adwuma no na senior civil society be bo mabaso o sade no sorry kakra ni ade ano president say munjai aya no aso onim ho hwe sebe majority leader the respected majority leader any chief whip ebeti mia don kasa omo pemu etintim krata so de ba parliament say omo betu OSP egu presidency enya we sejua ebeti mesi unso utimi nya no
OSP akonwe mpo de sanya de kan a obi te so maka say nam kwan bi so say yewura Martina Medu oni amani proceed on leave
or resigning ono no resigning
kwan e fa so ansa na odi ahomete resigning
and I'm say ono no resigning here
ahomete ene ye de share no man resigning
na jotisu yi sankwanoma enyumoto ye woti ase
ankwanoma oto no hwan ya bible so
yeah bible so
and then so no so he's being frustrated
but now your kai no ye judiciary the frustration or the judiciary woti ase one car by to kai ya or can also judiciary for and they frustrating no to sankwanoma enti no wodi e manipa na fa nipa mu nka se ye pamono na we no waye adwuma chichi NPP for raise concern for yata de no ni ade na kwachi Martin Pegbu pe ade chinya pe na be major topic for parliament majority leader the chief whip akotintim grata de brika gidi omo be gina so an we use some numbers e de to agu president who backlash o se munya asa ni onim de me can say he was aware I can tell you, sir, majority leader, any chief whip, ain't mean to sana monwa, among consult presidency.
It's not presidency, I in Yachum.
Nothing. Yemiki. And then maybe I will say the majority leader, the chief whip. A bet him some of your peso. A bar between Timumra. I dia desbandi OSP. Near the USPD. Our presidency, any way. Oh, backlash no ape, no say or chino. If him. Sarah, and then ne, it says CJ, and this for Pamono, and some PM Montino, and ne, almost so ahead with Yisi Moody. But Charles Aka, Chema General Aka, and a moke say, and this photo don't have bone so. Ye wo sabi, ye nim say, ye ba mono. Yisi are no wohono, no ye favorites, and on your ubi a appointed no. Almost so ba mono. Now yisi your wohono, and ye ubia. Ye omono appointed no. 18 uya wajuma ye ya. A mindful no a better abama. Untimi emfa uhuntu yisi so emane muaw. Aya de da ho. Ye ba mu no yisi owo no no. So nya kwanya kenya de a wo se ye ba. O da say because ene sa yisi no wo no ene ono ane oni aban ye wo so na edin sa wo so. Aban ne na appointed no. I was so independent there but we there nipa bi na be appointed. O de say ene ya appointed no a bibi nti ofi akonwa so no ene one aban na eya adwuma eno so na omuso wugina aka say yisi a yen so ya appointed no ono so yen hwe na omumpam no but the woman say de na owo ho no mo no ebre so sa mo ko no wantimi anyemo mo koye de na yen so wo ho ya appointed no na mo peyi na die no ebre so say wo se ye ko no obi antimi anye ye koye. You know, at the end of the day, they are only referees. The will of the people would always stand, no matter what you do.
So did you support the petition to remove the EC chair?
In the first place, such independent bodies need here. So we don't want to no matter what, me mean.
Did you support the removal of Charlotte Osei?
Charlotte Osei, in principle, the man support. What I say, utie issues a woman man support. But the fact to say, Onuan Kasano had issues with the deputies. Onuan Kasano had issues with the deputies. Onuan no the deputies no issues are na emejumani enkoyi. Etino boardroom wranglings ne ntokwa na ekoso wo montem no na akoba se okay ne ehwem de eko. Gozabe nipa mo na mo hwa adwuma no so no. Madwene entimi enhia na mo hwa adwuma no so de a ene na adwuma na mugu no. Enye bia ne Cocobod asemi. Cocobod asemi ne tintimban pa ene CMC chief executive any Cocobod chief executive omeninhia e ka ho pa about 60 to 70% and there is a Cocobod in Tawato by it is a nipa bi ntimi nipa bi nya adwuma wo ya ban a wo hwe se wo betoto niema omu kohwe mu no mu se niema e koso na kire se enye kura so they say it no nya obi bi na the petition bi but there were issues na e koso wo and we cast yenkum ne hu ye but otherwise enka independent bodies we no mo de yemfa yensa nka ko unya de usa kan ya pe no wasei se ne tie no o de say ebia ne se bomu ka se ye ba ya be yi Charlotte nti wo muso ma me chinchina wo munyi no ba ma kirem se ye be yi no en guarantee wo koko fo no mo twon musika re twon koko fo no mo dada mo to abama mo no o mo twon mo o mo pentema 2028 aba no mo yi mo fa akonya so emfa woni yisu ate akonya so wo ye dian ebre so no mbepam a ombepam so that say ntino media meka se we na de fe psyops ye tumframa de aguyani ye tumfutru de aguyani na ama ebi adwen fi o ma try nema bebre
okay
o ma try nema bebre but come ye come ye come be come de na so wo to nyom
come on ye de be sorry so ko kwa 4 plight no